Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz G550. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Okay, everything looks fine. Not seeing any scratches at all. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Perfect. Let's move on to the driver, fender, and wheel. I'm not seeing a scratch on this fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door look perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches on them at all. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks fine. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the SUV. Alright, the spare tire cover has no scratches on it. The trunk looks fine, and the back bumper is perfect as well. So everything back here looks good. I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips at all. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on it. And the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door here look perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches here at all. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks fine. I think there's just a scratch right there. The wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. And we're going to start with the driver's seat. Okay, that looks fine. Let's take a look at the door panel. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on this door panel at all. Everything is perfect. Let's have a look at the back seat. Excellent. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. The seat and door panel looks excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. Everything here is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. All of the buttons look fine. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Steering wheel looks perfect. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.